Hello, so today I am going to be making one of the holiday soaps. I have my oils and butters melted and mixed with the lye water solution, and I did a fairly light trace because of the essential oil blend that's going in. It is the pumpkin pie blend that I love, that I've used in the pumpkin patch soap and in the pumpkin jar candles, and I have a big bottle here that's more than I need, so I'm going to put in half. You have to work quickly because it has clove in it, which I've learned that the hard way. Cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg, and those are all fast movers. So it's about half right there. Okay. A little bit there. All right. This is a new version of what I always do at holiday time, my holiday baking soap. This year I wanted it to be extra special and extra cute, and I really hope that it is. Okay, so that looks good there. It is a very orange oil because of the colors, natural colors of those essential oils, so it might make my batter a little bit more orangey yellowy right now. Now first, I'm just going to pour in some of the uncolored and flop it out. That's why I started doing it in newspapers, because alright. Now, move this out of the way before we add our little pieces in. This was my madder root infusion. I will link the video where I made this madder root infusion. I got the madder root from Brambleberry. Hi, so I'm back the next morning, and I was so excited all night long to cut this one. I checked on it a few times to make sure that it didn't like split open or puff up or anything, but here is the top. Oh, so cute. I hope that nothing gets cut, but If it does, that's okay. And look at the madder root today. I mean, it definitely gelled, but it's such a magical color too. I think madder and indigo and alkanet are the most magical natural colors, because last night I was just thinking, oh, it looks so brown, and today it is so red. I don't know if you can tell from this footage from the lighting, but it really is red. It's so exciting. Alright, first one. So far, so good with the cutting. Oh, cute! Okay. So I kind of don't know what that was. I think that was part of the madder root, that it was getting thick, so I don't think that's like one of my little shapes. But there's the pie, and then there is the 3 gingerbread men. And it smells incredible. Now I will link in the description below where I got the gingerbread man and the pie. I got them from 2 different places that make extruder discs. Oh, so cute. They did gel really hard too, so they'll probably look different within a few weeks, and I'll wait to do the pictures then. Oh no, I lost a foot on one of the gingerbread men. That's okay though. They were hard to place. Let's see, let's try to go from the other side now.